This video was generated by AI. Let me show you how I created this AI-generated video. To create images of human-like cats in the subway, you need a text-to-image platform. I used the website Piclumen for this, which makes images for free. To create the desired image, you need to pay attention to the prompt. This prompt specifically describes the anthropomorphic cat, the details and style of the clothing, the subway environment, and the sitting position of the cat. Then, select the image style, specify the size, and click the Generate button. The result of the generation was truly stunning. The details of the character, the environment, and the precise lighting were all very much in line with the prompt description. I used the website hailuoai.video to create the video, which is a platform where you can easily turn any image into a video. To create a video, simply import your image and write the desired prompt, and the video will be generated. And this is the final result from this website. The generation and conversion of images to video are truly amazing, and it will astonish you how the characters come to life. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more ideas for creating videos with AI in the next video. Thank you.